requested cardio dance workout to Les Sserafim. Easy, smart, and perfect night. If you want more Les Sserafim and a lot more K-pop cardio dance workouts, be sure to check out my Patreon link right up here. You'll get immediate access to 80 plus exclusive dance workouts, including the newest edition, Max, Stupid in Love. Alright guys, really quickly before we get started, I wanted to show off a brand new piece of workout equipment I got. You can see it right behind me. This is the Ace Zoe S20 Under Desk Treadmill. Here we have it up close, and here are a couple of specs for this treadmill. It's got these great front wheels for mobility, so you can easily slide it under a standing desk, store it under a bed, couch, you name it. And here's a quick demo. I'm walking at 2.5 miles per hour. The treadmill itself is equipped with a lot of built-in cushioning to provide strong protection while you're walking, and it's also preset on a natural 3-inch incline, which can drastically help increase fat burning. You can easily start and stop with the remote, and on the LED display you'll see all the stats you need. And then you can also easily adjust to a preset speed. Here I'm clicking over to 3 miles per hour. And a very cool feature, the LED light also changes color depending on the speed level. Alright, and that was just a really quick rundown of the Under the Desk treadmill, but if you like what you saw, be sure to check it out, linked in the description down below. Let's get dancing! We've got a lot of Les Sserafim inspired dance moves in this one, so make sure to follow along closely and watch the upper left side for the next move.
Clap your hands now. 의구심 따윈 그냥 쳐 그냥 말 I'm the real one. 조명 꺼진 뒤에 난 wonder in the night. Don't know what it's like, don't know about my race. 슬기신 물씬 이젠 friends of me, yeah. 세상에게 나 반짝다리 Sserafim, yeah. I've been trying so long to show you. 다친데도 길을 걸어 kiss 쉽지 않은 내가 쉽게 easy 스테이지 위엔 부딪히는 body Pull up and I'll repeat it like that Damn, I really make it look easy Yeah, I know that I make it look easy Yeah, I know that I make it look easy 수면 위에 백조가 돼 whipping 때론 풀려 나의 다리 but I keep it Dance and go come and see me I'm the fearless 나의 발걸음은 매 순간의 story 이건 my way 영웅처럼 걸어 even if I am not flawless 편하게만 왔다고 날 몰라봤다면 you have to know I've been trying so long to show you 다친데도 길을 걸어 kiss me 쉽지 않은 내가 쉽게 easy 스테이지 위에 부딪힌 내 body Pull up and I'll repeat on my body Damn, I really make it look easy Damn, I really make it look easy You know that I make it look easy I'm a smarter baby smarter baby smarter 하늘 보면 별까지 깜빡했어 덜까지 Wanna be a winner 계획대로 때까지 난 나비가 될 애송이 원하는 건 승리란 놈 I call it sugar My sugar 플랜대로라면 놓칠 리가 없지 내 sugar My sugar 누구 말에 내가 me 신경을 써 쉬 내 벽에 위에 필 아름다운 대신 더 강한 이름 빌런을 됐겠지 그게 바로 me 내게 보여 see 맞아 하나 보면 10가지 간파해서 돌파지 Wanna be a winner Wanna be a winner 계획대로 끝까지 넌 나비가 될 애쓰니 I'm smarter baby 시계는 틱톡 필요해도 shortcut 찾아내고 넌 쳐보지 누구는 말이 대수록 난 말이 noise 난 love 내 땀은 난 lion Don't slow down 이 삶은 super fast Basking 내 머릿속에 가슴 난 준비를 끝내 Dinner at the winner that is what I wanna baby smarter Smarter baby smarter 하나 보면 10가지 간파해서 돌파지 Wanna be a winner Wanna be a winner 계획대로 끝까지 난 나비가 돼 애쓰니 I'm smarter baby Me and my girlies, we gon' party till it's early. Got me feeling otherworldly tonight. Caught in some traffic, but the radio was passing. Drop a red light and we're saying goodbye. Ooh, like the morning, feel like magic. I got all I need, you know nothing else can beat the way that I feel when I'm dancing with my girls. Perfect energy, yeah we flawless, yeah we free. There's no better feeling in the whole wide world. Tonight, I don't care what's wrong or right. Don't stop blowing up my line. I came at 11:59, but nothing comes after midnight. Come and take a ride with me. I got a credit card and some good company. So come through, but the fit real good. Why use this type of running way? You know you made. Ooh, night to morning, in slow motion. I got all I need, you know nothing else can beat the way that I feel when I'm dancing with my girls. Perfect energy, yeah we flawless, yeah we free. There's no better feeling in the whole wide world. Tonight, I don't care what's wrong or right. Don't stop blowing up my line. I came at 11:59, but nothing comes after midnight. Ooh, by the morning, feel like magic. I got all I need, you know nothing else can beat the way that I feel when I'm dancing with my girls. Perfect energy, yeah we flawless, yeah we free. There's no better feeling in the whole wide world. Tonight, I don't care what's wrong or right. Don't stop blowing up my line. I can't wait 11:59. Don't stop blowing up my line.
Awesome job, guys! A workout complete. If you want more K-pop dance workouts, be sure to check out my Patreon link right up here. Out now, we have Max, Stupid in Love, feat. Yoonjin of Sserafim, and when you sign up to be a Patreon member, you'll get access to over 80 plus exclusive dance workouts right there. Alright guys, thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.